Mastering Listening Strategies for B2 Business Vantage. Hello learners. Welcome to another session on English language learning. Today, we're diving deep into listening strategies and techniques for the Cambridge English Business, specifically the B2 Business Vantage or BEC Vantage. Whether you're preparing for the exam or simply want to enhance your listening skills, this guide will surely help you out. Good listening skills can make a huge difference, especially in a business setting. It can help you understand discussions during meetings, grasp instructions or feedback, build better relationships with colleagues or clients. But how do you ensure effective listening, especially in a second language? That's where strategies and techniques come into play. Active listening is not just about hearing words, but truly understanding the message. For effective active listening, 1. Focus. Eliminate distractions. Ensure that your mind isn't wandering. 2. Note-taking. Jot down key points as you listen. It helps in retaining and understanding the content. 3. Ask questions. If something is unclear, don't hesitate to ask. 4. Feedback. Repeat back what you've understood. It ensures that both you and the speaker are on the same page. One way to better grasp what's being said is to predict what might come next. Familiarize yourself with common business terms and phrases. Use the context. If the discussion is about quarterly sales, anticipate numbers, months, and perhaps product names. In business settings, it's crucial to get the gist of a conversation. To do this, 1. Identify topic sentences. These are usually at the beginning or end of a statement. 2. Look for repeated terms. These are often central to the speaker's message. 3. Filter out fillers. Words like, like, and, don't contribute to the main idea. Sometimes, the devil is in the details. Especially in a business context, missing out on a crucial detail can be problematic. Here's how you can master this. 1. Stay alert. Details can be scattered throughout a conversation. 2. Clarify. If you missed a detail, ask for repetition. 3. Use visuals. If there are charts or slides, pay attention. They often emphasize important details. There you have it. Some of the most effective strategies to sharpen your listening skills for the B2 Business Vantage exam and beyond. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you expose yourself to English conversations, the better you'll get at understanding them. Here's wishing you all the best in your learning journey. Stay curious and keep listening.